Welcome to Tech Tether.
joowin Wi-Fi extender setup. Method 1. joowin extender setup via web interface. Firstly, join the network of the extender with your PC or smartphone. To connect your PC to the router, use an Ethernet cable. In the address bar of a web browser, type the IP address 192.168.10.1. After that, type the default login credentials when the login page loads. The extender's web interface will then show up on the screen. All of the nearby networks that are accessible will be found by the extender through search. Subsequently, you must choose your Wi-Fi network and input the accurate password. Allow the extension some time so that it can establish a successful connection with the router. The web interface allows you to correctly adjust the extender's parameters. When you are finished setting everything up, move the extension close to. Method 2. joowin Wi-Fi extender setup via WPS. Plug the joowin Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet and wait for it to power on. Ensure the device is in close proximity to your main router. Locate the WPS button on your main router. Press and hold the WPS button on your router. Within 2 minutes of pressing the WPS button on the router, press the WPS button on your joowin Wi-Fi extender. The WPS LED on the extender should start blinking, indicating that it's attempting to connect. The WPS LED on both the router and the extender should become steady, indicating a successful connection. Once the connection is established, check your Wi-Fi networks on your devices. You should see a new network, typically named joowin_EXD or something similar, indicating the extended network.
Thanks for watching.